Another awesome train video there on that one was. So I want to give you an update from the last video. We found out what was up with the camera though. I guess it had something to do with about like 3-4 months ago when I was sitting on the handlebars of my bike and a gust of wind blew and blew the bike over, so the camera fell. The parts where we plug it into to charge it with, I guess that was damaged, and over the time I guess it got worse and worse, and now it won't take a charge. That's the bad news. The good news is I can get like a power station to charge the batteries up in. So my sister is ordering it on Amazon, so I'm not sure when that's going to come in. So with the power station, I get 2 more new batteries with it. So I have 4 batteries with the camera though. So other than that, that's the situation with the camera though. So if the power does run out on this second battery, I still have my cell phone to use to record the trains with. Other than that, I hope you have a good day and be safe out there. And plus, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. Make a comment, like, and where you're watching this from. Hope you have a good day. Be safe out there until the next train video.